sanitary? Oh no.
Dude!
You know about that life. Get out of here! What's up, everyone? We had this idea. It's a nice sunny day out. We're driving by the LA River and we thought we could float in that. We get to thinking, how do we float in that?
Today we're gonna be making a boat, but not just any ordinary boat. A boat out of garbage. We're turning garbage into gold.
No gold in there. So basically we're thinking, how can we make a boat for $0? So we're gonna go around the streets of LA, and you know, there's a lot of trash in LA. We're gonna be doing a good deed, as well as making it float.
We're just gonna pick up a bunch of bottles, put it all together with some duct tape, make a whole boat using zero money, float it down the river.
The LA River.
The LA River.
Preferably.
Let's do it. We've been robbed.
Come on now, are you serious?
I didn't get it for a second, honestly. Luke wants to go back to this one spot where there's one water bottle.
Please.
All right, let's go.
It's right up here.
Where is it?
Frick, it's gone.
It was right there.
So embarrassing.
Unsuccessful, 3 taps.
I said no one can take your place.
Ew! Oh my god!
Dude,
that's disgusting.
So gross.
It's pretty good. So athletic.
Should we?
Watch out for Brittany. Well, that was successful. I got an STD and we got some garbage. Luke just roasted me. He lost his window privileges. No! 3 taps.
Raise your hand if you want to give up.
Yellow, 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 yellow. Oh, we're making that.
Oh my god. Oh my
Yeah! That's a cop.
Bro, that was a cop.
We got bottles in the back.
It's a wrap. We're still looking for bottles. We've only filled about 1 bag. Still hustling out here trying to find bottles. For some reason, after he cleans it, sometimes it's dirtier. I don't know how he does it. That guy just flipped me off.
Who?
The guy with the sign.
You want me to go frick him up real quick? Let me go frick him up. Okay, hold my phone.
What was that?
Kelly's gonna wake up tomorrow and he's gonna have pink eye.
Hi, McDonald. How can I help you today?
Hi, can I get some bottles?
Sorry?
You gave me a
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Are you okay?
You good? You gotta be kidding me. Keep looking.
This will work. This will work.
You guys might see garbage. We see gold.
Hey, no, man. Get out of here.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Okay. I thought that was Luke. God damn. You freaking kidding me?
No, stop it.
I get a half wish now. Dude, we just hit a lick. If this isn't a Christmas miracle, I don't know what miracles are. Check that out, bro. Holy
Dude, this is 8 days of bottles.
Some see garbage, we see gold.
I just see plastic bottles.
This is gonna be a small boat.
I think the big things are what will make it float the best.
Honestly, we don't have that many bottles.
So we make it tall like that. This is enough for like the base.
I don't know what's going through his brain, bro. So you think like we literally put this and then cardboard on top of it?
Well, and then we put other bottles and stuff around it.
If you think that's gonna work, let's go for it. This is where we go.
We're not boat builders.
But we're gonna try our best. Neighbors wanted to sleep tonight. Oh my god.
Why do we always do this?
I don't know. I left the key inside the house. I was holding my keys to open the door, and then I put it on the...
But did you lock the door?
Yeah, I locked the door.
It's locked.
You're positive you left them in there?
I don't remember putting them down anywhere. I don't have them in any of my pockets. You wanna go check? You
Do we
okay?
want to go into the cupboard downstairs?
No, that's stupid.
Oh, he's so mad.
I didn't think
Love you, dude.
Oh my god.
That was funny. You got me.
Did you see me smiling at you? Yo, we just need the car keys.
Ooh. Why did he do that lock too?
I think you have the wrong door.
No, this. He's definitely gonna slide me the keys. Oh my god. This is only one of my keys.
Sick, dude. Lock the door. Good prank.
Kelly Wakota.
Alright, well, let's film. Keep the story going. Alright, come on. Let's do it. Just one.
I don't care. You do it. I don't want to do it.
Alright, guys, so we just wrapped up that prank. How was the prank?
You got me.
So good. 3 taps? Still best buddies. Alright, you stop recording?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So dumb.
Shut up.
I want to go home, loser. That was all.
It was just a prank!
We pranked you guys. I wasn't really mad. We've scripted that whole thing, and you guys got pranked. This won't fit in the car, so apparently we're just gonna put it on top and hope for the best.
Oh no, we ran out of tape.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
All we need is one piece. The ops are behind us.
I hope he passed us, and I'm gonna wave to him.
Perfect.
Perfect.
I got the juice, I got the juice. Channel, Chatham's on. Foolies glad I'm home. Even my haters kinda glad I'm on. Rest in peace to my vagabond. Rapper, song, singer, suspended, subpoena.
Is this sanitary? Oh, no. Yo, I got a camera. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Ah! Oh, no. No. Oh, my hat. Whoa. She's floating. Jenna.
Should I hop on?
Holy cow, she floats like a dream. Like a dream.
Well, it's on a rock right now. Yo, my foot's in the water.
This is where you'd find like the 3-eyed fish from Simpsons, you know?
SS Lolock.
SS Lolock.
Alright, let's
SS
go.
Lolock. It sounds like a Spanish word. SS Lolock. Oh. Okay.
Oh, easy. Wait.
This is it. I don't know if it's gonna work, if it's not, but
I'm just gonna take a seat.
you never know until you try. Let's do it.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Frick.
Wait, guys, up here. On.
We're on a rock.
They're laughing at us. Oh, okay.
Oh, come on. Come on now, are you serious? Oh no. Dude, your phone is so done.
I just bought this. Ready?
Overthrow it.
Oh!
Oh my god. Wait, look at the bottom. I know, it's falling apart so badly.
We lifted up out of the water.
Oh! Fish!
Wait, Luke.
Watch out for the shark! The shark! Ah! The whale's coming! Oh! That was awesome!
Chicken fight.
No. Going down! We're sinking.
Wait, was this one of your socks?
No! Is that one of my socks?
Oh. Really getting shallow.
Get off! You need to get off the boat right now! Stop moving! It's going down! There's something biting me! There's something biting me! Oh, you will!
Luke abandoned ship.
Probably the grossest one I've ever been in.
Not mad, just disappointed. It's like someone had to go down and it's either he was about to push me in, so I pushed him in. The captain goes down with the ship!
I don't know if it's gonna work. If it's not, you never know until you try. She floats like a dream.
Esa es Lola.
You need help?
How you ask?
To be completely honest, it looks pretty similar to the start.
That's poop, I'm pretty sure.
That's great. Looks like we're gonna be on the news or something like that. They've been hovering over us for the last 5 minutes.
It's legit right above us.
Ew. Dude, it's one of each.
Both got in.
We both. Oh God. I put them on.
No.
Let me drive the boat.
Let me try the boat.
Bring the PS4 on it.
I can drive the boat, you can drive the boat. Let me drive the boat.
Turning garbage into gold, baby.
Wait, there's someone behind you!
It's a little girl. It's fine.
Are you serious? Come on now. Oh, I licked it. Is it good? It's okay? Hello.
This ain't recycle. That's my dad.
Hey, big boy, what you want for those bottles? Oh my gosh.
Supermodel.
Instagram model. Hey, big girl.
It's just me and my boy Luke in the back. Back at the trap, you know we going straight back to back. Hey, you know we bout to hit 10K today.
Hey, big boy.
I'm gonna do this one blindfolded.
Hey, knock that off.
You kinda just scared me.
Hey, look, it's a homeless man. Wait, no, is that Justin Bieber? No, just a homeless man.
Ow!
That was crazy.
Never lost! 3 taps, baby! Sheesh!
Let me drive the boat.
Ah, my neck.